Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rolling tubes is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for DIY cigarette smokers, promising a consistent, high-quality smoke every time. But with so many brands, sizes, and materials available, choosing the perfect rolling tubes can feel overwhelming. That's why we've compiled this comprehensive guide to help you navigate the world of cigarette rolling machine tubes, covering everything from tube size and material to ease of use and overall value, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your smoking preferences. Number 5. ZN King Size Tubes. Experience the smooth satisfaction of ZN. These tubes are perfect for creating your own custom cigarettes. Enjoy the rich, full flavor you love in a convenient king-size format. They're ready when you are. Each box contains 250 tubes, providing you with plenty to enjoy. That's a lot of possibilities. Get 2 full boxes in every pack, ensuring you're always stocked up. Double the value, double the enjoyment. It's easy to customize your cigarettes with these tubes. Make them your own. With ZN, you're in control. Enjoy the perfect smoke, your way. What we like. It boasts a classic king-size format and rich, full flavor. If you enjoy a traditional smoking experience, this is a great option for you. This pack offers excellent value with its 250 tubes, perfect for regular smokers. What people say. The paper is not too thick, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable smoking experience. The quality of the tubes is consistent, making them easy to use and providing a reliable smoke every time. Abundant amount, boxed nicely and durable. I use a hand-held filler that does 3 at a time and they slide over the mounts easily, very seldom rip open and are easy to pack. They are sturdy around the end, so they don't fold when you're sticking them on the end of your rolling device, you can't taste them in the smoke. Number 4. 4 Aces King Tubes. Get ready to experience the ultimate in rolling convenience. These tubes are perfect for creating your own custom cigarettes. With 4 aces, you're in control. Craft your perfect smoke every time. They're made with high-quality materials, ensuring a smooth, consistent burn. And with 1,000 tubes, you're set for a while. Enjoy the satisfying length and generous fill of king-size tubes. It's the perfect size for a relaxing smoke. These tubes make rolling easy and efficient. Spend less time rolling and more time enjoying your creation. Whether you're a seasoned roller or just starting out, these tubes are a must-have. Experience the difference quality makes. What we like. This is a cost-effective option with a massive 1,000 tubes. If you're a heavy smoker looking for a budget-friendly choice, it's a smart buy. The bulk purchase ensures you'll always have plenty on hand. What people say. This product is a great value and quality. This is my preferred brand and saves me a lot of money using this product without compromising quality. This is a good tube at a fair price point. Burns well with just enough filter. Made in Canada. I've been ordering these for a while now and even subscribed to get the tubes. Number 3. 4 Aces 100s Tubes. Get ready to experience the smooth, classic taste of 4 Aces. These tubes are perfect for those who enjoy rolling their own cigarettes. They're made with high-quality materials, ensuring a consistent and satisfying smoke every time. Enjoy the superior craftsmanship. These are the perfect size for a longer, more enjoyable smoke. It's the ideal length for many smokers. Each box contains 200 tubes, providing you with plenty for your rolling needs. That's a lot of smokes. This is a bulk pack, offering you 5 boxes of tubes. You'll be set for a while. These tubes are designed for easy rolling, making it simple to create your perfect cigarette. Enjoy the convenience. They provide the perfect canvas for your preferred tobacco. Customize your smoking experience. What we like. It offers a longer, 100mm smoking experience. If you prefer a slimmer, longer cigarette, this is the perfect choice. The convenient 5-box pack is ideal for those who smoke frequently. What people say. My husband has tried different kinds of e-cigarette tubes. He said these work much better with his tobacco machine. It was quick and just as described. Classic tubes and an online retailer like Ted's Tobacco cost half the price. Number 2. Zen Menthol King Tubes. Experience the convenience and quality of Zen Menthol King size cigarette tubes. Each pack contains 2 boxes with 200 tubes each, giving you a total of 400 tubes. These tubes are the perfect size for a satisfying and smooth smoking experience. Enjoy the rich menthol flavor with every puff. Customize your cigarettes with your favorite tobacco and create your perfect blend. It's easy and fun. Get 2 packs of tubes, providing you with 400 tubes in total. That's a lot of opportunities to enjoy your personalized cigarettes. Zen Menthol King size cigarette tubes are made with high-quality materials, ensuring a consistent and reliable smoking experience. Enjoy the superior quality. They're designed for easy rolling, making it simple to create your own cigarettes. Save money and enjoy the process. What we like. It delivers a refreshing menthol sensation in a classic king-size format. If you enjoy a cool, menthol cigarette, this is a must-try. With 400 tubes, it provides a generous supply for menthol lovers. What people say. Adds flavor to plain tobacco. Sturdy paper that holds well while filling the tubes with tobacco. King-size tubes. First thing I noticed was how easy they slipped on the machine's injector rod. Did 200 in record time. No misfires or wasted tubes. They have a good menthol flavor. Not too strong and not too weak. Good taste of menthol, easy to fill with a manual machine. Number 1. Golden Harvest Filters. Get ready to experience a new level of smoking enjoyment. These filters are designed to enhance your smoking experience. They're the perfect size for a satisfying smoke. The vibrant red color adds a stylish touch. These filters are made to let you enjoy the full, rich taste of your tobacco. No compromises. You'll receive 5 boxes, each containing 200 tubes, that's 1,000 tubes in total. A great value. These filters are made with pride in the USA, using high-quality materials. You can trust the quality. Upgrade your smoking experience today. Enjoy the superior quality and value. What we like. It's a high-quality product made in the USA, offering a classic king-size experience. If you value quality and prefer American-made products, this is an excellent choice. The bulk pack of 1,000 tubes ensures you're always stocked up. What people say. I like the way they made, and I use it with my cigarette machine. Excellent tubes that work well. Unlike other tubes I have ordered, these came undamaged. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.